Good morning again. We are gathered here to witness and celebrate the marriage of these couples and ask God to bless them so they may be strengthened in their life together. We are called to rejoice in their happiness and find their love a reason to renew our own commitments to those who are near and dear to us. So, tayo na tayong dalawa. Is there anybody here who knows of any impediment to the marriage about to be contracted between these couples? May kokontra po ba sa wedding? Kung wala po, let us continue. Okay, Shall we, Romalyn? Are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your husband-to-be? Okay. Darwin, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in service to your wife-to-be? And dalawa, you take upon yourselves the duties of the marriage of your own free will and voluntary deed? You do? Okay. Sige, ngayon naman, declaration of intentions. Darwin, shall we, Romalyn, to be your wife, to live together in marriage? Will you love her, comfort her, honor her, keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to her as long as you both shall live? Yes. Lakasan mo para marinig. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Shall we, Romalyn, or will you have Darwin to be your husband, to live together in marriage? Will you love him, comfort him, honor him, keep him in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to him as long as you both shall live?
Yes.
Sige, yung sing-sing na, pakikiha. And follow after me. Sabihin mo na sabihin ko. Oo, naka-Darwin. Ready mo na yung sing-sing niya. Okay. Kung magharap na kayo, sabihin mo sasabihin ko ha. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, and with all that I am, all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. Isuot mo na. And then follow after me. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. Stop mo na. Sige. Ngayon naman, mga payo, harap kayo dito sa parents naman natin. Kayo na. Dito muna. Ano naman po payo natin, ng nakaikumbaga sa diag-asawa, wish kin payo. Thank you. Ito naman, sa harap naman tayo dito. Ano naman pong payo natin sa ikakasal? Kahit tumatibagang nga eh. Muna kayo Tang. Thank you. Now?
Anak ko, imagbagak lang kanya yung kaya yung Xiaomi kay sumarating ka pinili. Anak ko, yung halong kumamay na mas kasakitan. Yung nagdamanan yung pagtinawatan bago kayo sumunod kay kwartuyo, maayos kayo kung mga bago kayo naturo. sumawat palagi may sayo. Akas, hindi siya ni Kristo. Ano ba anak ko palagi mo yun. Kaya talang ko na po. Ang singsingkot ka na rin, Shawi. Agay, pinatig kayo o tingnan natin. Hindi ka na anong umalan. Kaya lang, I love you, anak.
Thank you na. O, sumama ka kayo palikod. Amin ba't ako, nagigay kahit ng week. Marami pa yun ako. Hindi na ako. Nakikipag ka. Week. Kung payo.
Pinagbanyan ka siya, natin respeto yung pinagbanyan ng tiwala.
Thank you.
Kanyayong dapat magka-problem, pag-usapan nyo lang. Kasi ganyan nyo lang pa ilang kanya. As a
Kali mo na rin.
Sige, sponsor.
Na. Wish lang. Anong wish lang?
Magmahalan kayo. Tapos nasa, ano na kayo ng level na, ano, nasa next level na kayo. God bless.
Thank you. Text sila ina. Na.
Kaya pagkakalan na yung
Singsingkot ka na buwa. Masa niyo di anak pa.
God bless. Tapos magmahalan kayo. Tapos pag may problema, pag may usap-usapan nyo na bago.
Thank you. Palikod na lang kayo. Na, Lola. Payo yun? Sige ka lang. One eh. Sama-sama mo ito yan. Ang sila naman eh. Both hands. Hawak niya dalawang kamay. Together. Yes. Follow after me again. Una ka, Darwin. I hereby take you, Shawi Romalin, to be my wife, to have and to hold, to be one of heart, one soul, and one affection, from this day forward, for better or for worst, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish until we be parted by death. We be parted by death. Until we be parted by death. By death. This is my solemn vow. Ikaw naman, show. I hereby take you, Darwin, to be my husband, to have and to hold, to be one of heart, one soul, and one affection, from this day forward, for better or for worst, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish until we be parted by death. This is my solemn vow. Okay naman, ano naman vows mo? Ano naman vows mo, Shao, as your husband? May na-prepare ba kayo? Or from the heart na lang? Sige, sabi, harap ka sa kanya, sabihin mo sa kanya.
Sabi naman natin na.
Ikaw, yung sa'yo, gusto mo, siyempre sabihin mo sa kanya.
Sabi ko lang. Sabi nga nila kung may problema tayo. Makapag-usapan.
you. Maganda yan talaga from the heart. Okay naman, Darwin. Ganun din, anong promesa mo to your wife as a husband?
May bang sir.
Oh. Kenyana, mali Kenyana. Ma'am, Kenyana. Very good. That's very nice. Hawakan lang. Hawakan mo ng kamay. Okay? By the virtues of the powers vested in me, by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, calling all those present here as their witness, I, Benjamin Loren Coresma III, Municipal Mayor of Pampanga, Vizcaya, confirm the bond of marriage which you have contracted and now pronounce you as lawfully wedded husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride.
Minsan tayo.
Ay, sa likod, hindi nakuha.
Hindi po. Tagalan konti. Tagalan konti. Nagpartakay mo eh. Ininot. Ininot lang mat. Akas na slow motion. Ano po?
Sige, sige, sige.
One, two. Naglikod ka lang na. One, two, three, go.
Sige, ako nagigay naman ang pagdato'y sango. Ang witness kayo pirmada. May kontrata. As witnesses, sige. Nalagay pa kang picture. Witnesses. At dapat may isa. Monday kami dire-diretso kami ka. Dini nang madipay nakapil mo madamdama tayo. No, dyan likod daingan ah. Hindi ka lang tap na makita yung picture. Para kita. First, yung parents tayo. Parents tayo. Okay. Sino tayo yung official pa ito? Marami. Gamit mo na. Okay. O, ninong-ninang. Next po. Okay. family. Friendship family.
Oh, yung mga kapatid niya mo na. Kapatid mo na ako.
Kapatid ako.
Kapatid. Ayun na. Ni Kuya Joe. Family Ate Grace.
Right side, right side. Right. Right side, right. Right side, right. Groom side, groom. Groom, lalaki, lalaki. Side. Groom, groom. Okay.
Ayos ko sa man na. May makita. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, sino ba? Sino ba? Diyan nagpapicture. Ayun, kayong dalawa na. Kayong dalawa. Ay, dito kayo pala sa